Prime Minister of Dubai, His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, is offering to pay for your flight ticket. You will be getting free accommodation, free health insurance, and you will be paid whilst you are in Dubai taking part in this program. This program is affiliated to some of the biggest companies in the world. Therefore, which means that whilst you are taking part in this program, you will be working with some of the biggest companies in the world and the biggest coaches in the world. Just imagine for a minute, if you have in your CV that you have worked for some of the biggest companies and coaches in the world and taking part in a program that is under the control of His Highness, the Prime Minister of Dubai, do you think any employer would reject you? Those are the kind of things that you need to have on your CV. So watch this video to the end, and I will leave link in the description section for you to apply. This program opened in December. It will be on till January. So make sure you start working on your CV, your supporting letters, and the other document that you need. This is a diverse program which is aimed at attracting some of the best and innovative young minds in the world. So make sure you share this video to anyone that you know will benefit. Now let me show you the page. Before I do that, if you're seeing my video for the first time, my name is Francis. I do videos to show people how to legally migrate to new countries without needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. The comment that you leave in the comment section, I will always endeavor to respond to the comment. If your goal this year is to legally migrate abroad, this channel will help you achieve your dream without you needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. There is no successful migration journey without having access to credible information and being able to use it on time. And therefore, it is in your best interest to consider subscribing to Launch Club Media. We want to help as many people as possible to get to where they want to be without them needing to spend money on lawyers or agents. So we want to save you money. Okay, so consider subscribing to this channel. Follow us on all our social media platforms. Turn on your notification bell so that you are alerted when we release new video. Our mission is to help you get to where you want to be without you need to spend money. So let me now show you this program that I'm talking about. And this is the timeline of this program, okay? So it's a 9 months program, okay? So you will spend between September and October next year. You will be in class doing more. These are the modules that you're doing: finance, data, and you will do things that once you finish that, then you spend 12 weeks in placement where you'll be learning things like soft skill training, coaching and mentoring, cultural excursion, panel session, guest. Then you spend another 4 weeks doing things like doing business in main design thinking, business stimulation, consulting, premier, and the list goes on. You spend another 2 weeks again doing creating value and consulting skills, essential consulting skills, consulting project front loading. You will be doing that, okay? So that is the way it's structured. Now, once you've done that, let me show you the companies that are partners where you will be doing your placement with these companies. Some of these companies are the biggest companies in the world, okay? So you have DFIC, you have DMCC. These are some of the biggest companies in the world. As part of this program, there is classroom learning and there is work placement or internship where you will be with these companies and you will be learning with them, okay? That is what it be. So let me now show you another thing, okay? So let me show you how to apply. It's very, let me show you the eligibility criteria because this is very important. So this program is open to people from all over the world. Okay, there is no, it's not meant for someone, you don't have to come from science or social science or humanity. No, it's made for, as long as you have a strong statement, you've got expression of interest, and you've given a reason why you should be offered a place. If your reasons are compelling, you will be considered for an interview and you will be offered a place for this program. Okay, so this is what it says here. It says the program is fully funded and participants on this program receive return flight to from Dubai at the beginning and the end of the program, accommodation, medicine, insurance. It's fully funded. Okay, so the program application opens on the 1st of December and it will close on the 31st. Okay, decision will be made on the 15th of March. That is when those who have been accepted will be informed. So now look at the eligibility criteria, because that is very important. Recent university graduates who have up to 3 years of work experience, proficiency in both verbal and written English with ideally one additional language, a keen interest in international and Dubai business, a curious inquiring mind. Applicants should have a minimum of a bachelor degree. However, applicants are not required to hold a degree in business. So you're not required to hold a degree. If you have any question, you're not sure about anything, I will leave this email on the description section so you can contact them. If you got any question about anything, you can contact them and they will be able to answer your question. There is no, you're not paying anything. You will be paid whilst you are in Dubai. Let me quickly show you how you apply for this program. Okay, so you go on this place, application. You fill this place with your email, your first name, your last name, you create a password and you verify the password. A link will be sent to your email to verify your email. Once you click on that link to verify your email, you are good to go. You'll be able to create an account with them. Once you have an account with them, you'll be able to continue. Let me show you something which I think you should know, the frequently asked questions section. Okay. Okay, requirements. Yeah, it says, which is what we said, for up to 3 years working experience, proficiency in English. Let me start show you this program, because you will be working with some of the biggest companies in the world. If you prove yourself, they may retain you. So as long as you prove yourself, these companies may keep you and offer you employment at the end of this training. Okay, now what is the cost? It said there is no cost to join this program. It is fully funded. Associates receive joining airfare to travel to Dubai at the beginning of this program, accommodation in a highly standard hotel. So for the 9 months, the government of Dubai will pay for you to be in a hotel. You will have medical insurance, residency visa, airfare back if you want to travel. You will be provided during this program. This is very important. Let me show you this. It says during the program, associates receive a monthly living allowance that is sufficient for a day-to-day expenses and even some regional travel. You hear that? You will receive a living expenses in Dubai and you will be given a ticket to travel out of Dubai as well. So this is a 9 months program. It's a once in a lifetime opportunity. Make sure you take this program seriously and present a compelling case. This program is open to applicants from the whole world. It's open to regardless of the country. So you have to earn the right to be there. By earning the right, you have to have a compelling case, and that will translate in your CV, supporting letter, and expression of interest. So I hope you have found this video useful. Consider subscribing to Launch Club Media if you haven't done so. We have a team of experts who are scanning the internet for opportunities for people to improve their life. As soon as we spot something that we think will benefit you, we will bring it to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please kindly share this video to anyone that you know will benefit. There is love in sharing. We rise by lifting others. Thank you so much for watching this video. May God bless you. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell and subscribe to Launch Club. May God let your dream come true. I'll see you when I release my next video. Thank you.